Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don pledge in total commitment to continue in ogbonge progress for development when dem give am award for good governance. Obaseki yarn dis one for the 2021 and 2022 ZiK Leadership Award wey shele for Eko Hotel Limited, Victoria Island, where dem for knack some ogbonge award to sabi pipo wey dey shake table for their chosen careers. Chemo Advisory Board of Public Policy Research and Analysis Center PPRAC, Professor Jubril Maminu, wey dey represented by one member of the board, Mark Wabari, for im welcome speech, come talk say ZiK Award na award wey dey recognized by the world as dem dey give ogbonge leaders wey dey do ogbonge work for their area of specialization.
Continue to sustain our collective faith in Nigeria's nationhood and potentials for greatness by repositioning her for sustainable, rapid socio-economic and political development. To our distinguished awardees, on behalf of the advisory board, I say congratulations for scaling the process bar and making the mark at the end of the nomination, verification, and selection exercise. As recipients of this most coveted award, please note that the nation in particular and the global community in general will continue to look up to you for more of your exemplary services to humanity. We are confident that you will continue to raise the bar as distinguished and worthy role models to many others that constantly believe and look up to you now and in the future.
The chairman of the award, His Royal Majesty Igwe Nnaemeka Achebe Obi of Onitsha, come talk saying the purpose of the award now to hold the legacy of former President of Nigeria, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, wey be oga patapata of leadership, and also to promote and recognize leadership for public life.
We must value the place of Nnamdi Azikiwe in history, as well as the labors and the efforts of the PPRAC to uphold his legacy and create this award series to recognize leadership in public life. ZiK has been honored in diverse ways. There's a university named after him, an airport named after him, several university halls of residence and libraries, streets, roads, and avenues. But I ask, are these sufficient, particularly for the enlightenment of future generations? My answer is no. I congratulate the recipients of the awards today. I think that all of them deserve the award, and I congratulate the PPRAC for their expert job in the screening process.
Obaseki for your appreciation speech come talk say,
this award comes to me at a very interesting time in my political career. As I'm winding down my term after 7 years in office, I was undergoing, or I am still undergoing, introspection, asking, is it worth it? Has it been worthwhile? Is it being appreciated? Did you make a mistake? And coming here tonight to be awarded this prize for good governance makes one feel, after all, it is worth it to have made all the sacrifice. It puts on us recipients enormous responsibilities that if you are truly leaders and have been recognized to be so, then you have enormous responsibilities to make sure that the system that recognizes you as leaders is provided with real leadership and governance so that it does not fail. So I want to make a pledge tonight, Mr. Chairman, that I hear you, The reward for hard work is more work. The reward for responsibility is more responsibility. I will take on that challenge.
For in talk with Tori people, Edo Governor Obaseki come talk so the reward for hard work na more work, and in dey assure Edo people say im go continue to achieve more for Edo people and make sure say im finish well and sustain all wey dem don do.
For me, I feel really humbled because I've been acting over the last 7 years. In Edo. I wasn't that cognizant or conscious of the fact that the rest of the world was watching and observing what we're doing that closely. What it means for me is like, okay, now that the world has seen what you've done, the changes you've made, the leadership you've provided, there's nowhere to hide. You've just got to make sure that whatever you've started is completed and you finish well, and ensure that we can sustain the achievements that we have accomplished. That is not difficult to govern well. It could be inconvenient, but it's not impossible, and it's not that much. It's not that difficult. Just do the right thing, do what you know is right.
Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okugbawa Esquire, Edo State PDP Chairman Tony Azegbeme, come talk say the award wey Governor Obaseki receive so na result of the better work wey Obaseki do, and say belle sweet all of them for the award.
I'm excited, and when good work is recognized like this and rewarded, everyone who's coming behind will know that good work pays. And people are aware, they've gotten to know that when you work well, they will appreciate you and reward you. That's what has happened today. And for all that the governor has done, the outstanding things that he has done, and I've said it again and again and again, there are several firsts that this administration has scored that no other administration in this country has been able to do. For instance, the e-governance thing, first in the country to have moved completely from paper to paperless. There's no other administration in the whole of this country that has done that. The marvelous things that the government is doing in the civil and public service, which is the engine of government, no other administration has done it. Look at all the projects that everywhere we had the opportunity of going around just recently during Alaudaro, and you saw many of the projects, just few of the projects, but they were, very wonderful projects that people had never seen before.
It's an award that was not unexpected. It's an award that depicts what the governor has been doing for Edo State. It's an award that just shows that when you do the right thing, people will notice. Such a prestigious award as is ZiK AWARD is so rewarding. And the party we are very excited today. I will congratulate the governor for this.
Other Ogbonge people wait and that for the award ceremony now. Wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki, Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Blessing Agbebaku, Secretary to Edo State Government Osaudio Oge Esquire, Chief of Staff to Edo State Governor Osagbovo Iyoha, Commissioners, members of Edo State House of Assembly, among others. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From TMC TV studio, Ekata Ujisoli, TMC TV News.